Jacob from WayToPlan on Etsy, and I'm here to show you our habit tracker for Google Sheets. This habit tracker is really simple and straightforward. All you really have to do is add your habits, and then once you're done, you can start tracking them by simply clicking the checkboxes. This habit tracker consists of 3 sections. The large table on the top, it's for tracking your daily habits, so the habits that you want to do every day. And on the bottom left, you have the weekly habit tracker. And here you can add habits that you want to do once a week. Then on the right of that, you have the monthly habit tracker. Here you can add habits that you want to do just once this month. Once you start tracking your habits, your progress will automatically appear on the sheet, and it will also automatically be updated. For example, if I click some of the checkboxes in the daily habit tracker, you can see that the status updates on the left, but it also updates in the diagram on the bottom. On the bottom, there are 3 diagrams. One to track the progress of your daily habits, one for your weekly habits, and one for your monthly habits. To demonstrate this, currently I have 2 of the 3 monthly habits completed. When I complete the 3rd and last habit, you can see that the diagram for the monthly habit progress is now 100% and it's complete. This habit tracker comes with 12 tabs, 1 for each month. Currently we are in June, but on the bottom we can navigate to the other months. So this way you can track your habits for every month of the year. That's all there is when it comes to this habit tracker. It is just an easy to use and simple habit tracker that hopefully will be really useful for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us a message on Etsy, and I will add a link to this habit tracker in the description.